According to VidIQ, this YouTube channel is already pulling in nearly $2,000 a month, and it is absolutely taking off. The channel is called Can't Breaks, and here's the crazy part. It launched just 2 months ago. Yet in that short amount of time, it's already generated over 1 million views and is quickly closing in on 16,000 subscribers. And it gets even more insane. When you look across the entire channel, every single video is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. Their top performing video is already sitting at around 300,000 views. For a channel that's only 2 months old, that kind of growth is honestly unbelievable. So naturally, you're probably asking yourself, what are they doing to get results like this? And the answer might surprise you. They're creating short motivational videos using anime clips, combined with voiceovers that keep viewers hooked from start to finish. If you take a closer look, most of their videos are only 2 to 3 minutes long, which means you don't need to spend hours editing or overthinking the process. These videos are made using a simple formula: a voiceover, on-screen captions, background music, and anime clips as visuals. That's it. But here's the most important part. I'm not going to teach you how to blindly copy these videos, because if you want to actually grow in this niche, you need to do something slightly different, something that helps you stand out instead of blending in with every other channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create these types of videos using free tools and a simple workflow. Follow this system, and you'll be able to recreate this style in your own unique niche, fast and efficiently. But before we jump in, here's a quick preview of what we're about to build.
You are one decision away from a different life. Not next year, not someday, today. If you stay on the path you're on, nothing changes. But if you commit for 30 days, you won't recognize yourself. Right now, your life is shaped by small choices you barely notice. The extra hours scrolling, the snooze button, the comfort food, the workouts you skip, the goals you delay. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving.
Okay, let's jump straight into a channel breakdown. The channel name is Can't Break, and this creator is an absolute beast. He started posting just 2 months ago, uploads consistently every week, and his videos are only 2 to 3 minutes long, which is the sweet spot for this type of content. On top of that, he's operating in one of the highest RPM niches on YouTube. According to vidIQ, this channel is already making over $2,000 per month in ad revenue from these short videos alone. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of videos for free using AI step by step. Step 1, video idea generation. The first step, as always, is video ideas. Go to the Notion prompt file, copy the idea generation prompt, and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Then hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple viral-style motivational video ideas. Once the ideas are ready, all you need to do is pick one. For this tutorial, I'll select this one to show you the full process. Step 2, script generation. Next, let's generate the script. Go back to the Notion template, copy the script generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. At this point, ChatGPT is already trained to work like a professional motivational scriptwriter. Now simply paste the idea you selected, hit enter, and within a few seconds, you'll get a highly engaging 3 to 4 minute motivational script, fully ready to use. Step 3, generate image prompts. Now we need visuals for the script. Go back to Notion and copy the scene generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Next, copy a small section of the script, just enough to demonstrate the process. Paste it in and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate all the image prompts we need for each scene in the script. Step 4, create images. Now let's turn those prompts into images using Whisk AI. Go back to Notion, copy the Whisk AI prompt, and paste it into Whisk. You don't need to rewrite this long prompt every time. I'll explain why in a moment. The first line controls the character. If you want a different hairstyle, outfit, or body type, like a hoodie instead of plain clothes, you can change it. Otherwise, leave it as is. The second line controls the image style, and this should stay exactly the same. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene description, paste it into Whisk. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 and hit enter. If the image doesn't look perfect, don't overthink it, just regenerate. This first image is extremely important because it will be used to keep all future future images consistent. Here's the powerful part. Drag and drop the generated image into the subject field in Whisk AI. Whisk will analyze the image, and from now on, every image will use the same character, making your video look clean and professional. Once the image is analyzed, delete all prompts. Now simply paste the scene descriptions one by one, enable precise reference, and generate each image. Keep the images you like and repeat the process for all scenes. And real quick, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI YouTube tutorials like this. Once all images are ready, click Download Images and they'll be saved as a zip file. Step 5. Turn images into videos. Next, let's convert these images into videos using Grok AI. This tool allows you to generate up to 20 videos per day for free. Go to the Imagine section and upload your image. We won't use the default video prompt because the motion is usually too strong. Instead, go back to Notion and copy one of the video generation prompts I provided. If the first one doesn't look good, use the second. Paste the prompt, hit enter, and once the video looks good, click the 3 dots, select Upscale to improve quality, then download it. Repeat this process for all images. Step 6. Voice-over generation. Now, let's generate the voiceover. For this, we'll use Google AI Studio. Log in with any Gmail account, select single speaker audio, and choose the same voice. Copy the script from ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. The default voice will sound like this.
One decision away from a different life. Not next year, not someday, today.
But we're not using that. We need a deep, masculine, authoritative voice. So go back to the document, copy the voice style prompt, paste it into the style instructions, and hit run again.
Are one decision away from a different life. Not next year, not someday, today.
Now you can clearly hear the difference. Click the 3 dots and download the audio. Step 7. Editing. Now let's move on to editing. This type of video doesn't need heavy or fancy editing because most of the hard work is already done in the previous steps. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. First, open CapCut and import all your video clips and the voiceover audio. Once everything is imported, drag the audio file onto the timeline. Now listen carefully and make small adjustments. Delete any long pauses in the audio and slightly adjust the cuts so the sound flows smoothly and naturally. Once that's done, start importing your video clips in order and place them on the timeline, matching them with the audio. Next, let's add a simple zoom effect. Click on the first video clip, go to keyframes, and add a keyframe at the beginning. Then move to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and slightly scale up the video. Repeat this same process for the rest of the clips, alternating between zoom in and zoom out. This small movement keeps the video engaging without overdoing it. Now let's add a video effect. Go to the Effects section and choose an effect that matches your style. For this example, I'll use this one. Drag and drop the effect onto the timeline and adjust its length so it fits the entire video. Next, let's add captions. Go to Text, click Auto Captions, and then click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions for your video in just a minute. Once the captions are generated, customize them. Go to Templates and choose a style you like. For this demo, I'll use this one. Then move the captions to the center of the screen to match the popular motivational channel style. Now let's add background music. You can use Suno to generate your own custom background music, or you can download free royalty-free music from sites like Pixabay. Drag the music onto the timeline, adjust the duration, and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything looks good, go to Export, choose your resolution, and click Export. If you follow all these steps and add your own creativity, you can create high-quality motivational videos just like this. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.